think that the card came loose. We must record craziness. It'll straighten out. I'll turn behind you. Wait, is that you? That is you. I thought Nate was flying that.
Tiger cleared.
Alright.
Okay.
Gear up.
Yo, did you pull the throttle back?
Yeah.
And now you're just going to fly me into stall.
Gear down. Gear up.
I'm gonna go chase the crazies. Oh, you got the big. You like it?
I got the final Hawks 5000.
65C?
Yep.
Wow, it's screaming. Both you guys are. All right, Keon, I'll stick with you. They're flying like crazies. He's just doing like you do. There we go, I'm right there on you. Jeez. Tortuga! Turn my gyro up a little bit, I'll try something.
Do you have a gyro?
Yeah. Got the Lemon RX. I've had it since the beginning.
Jesus.
They work great.
Whoa! Back that ass on. Ding ding Keon.
Ring ding dong! Who's the Havoc in the back? Alright, I saw you last second. I saw you at the last second. I'm like, oh crap, what's he doing now? Gonna do a crazy, doing a crazy touch and go. You'll be behind me landing, that's fine. I'm just gonna do a nose up touch and go the whole way.
Flaps up. 8. Gear up. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Right, I'm landing full stop this time.
Gear down.
I see where you guys are. I'm gonna stop short.
Alright, I'm on the right side.
I'm stopping short, so.
I'll be at the end.
Okay. Yeah,
I'm
thank
on
you.
the far right, guys.
Alright, where are you?
See us on the
Yeah.
far left. Keon hasn't even gone like full throttle at all.
Ugh.
Flaps up.
Me too, me too, me too.
So you have to land so we can all taxi back.
I'm hurrying up so I can get back. That was a little crazy, but oh well. I'm nuts. It's fun being this way sometimes. Sometimes. Crazy, guys! It makes things so much more fun. We have to. I've got 2 other packs for this thing. I just stole one from my F-18 for this. I might try a 65C pack in there too, Nate. Get that thing out of there. What the? Huh?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
What the? Stop that!
Wait for me.
Stop!
I know.
What the?
Get mine.
What the? Why do we do this?
So now prove that they have brakes.
Hey! Why are you picking on me, man?
Hey, you almost flew into Keon's plane last week.
That's right.
Here, Keon.
This is crazy. Crazy! That's what makes it so much fun. Alright, I hope that I didn't mess up any of my other footage.
Yeah, you're good.